Usha ma'am, you can share your experience.
Yeah, basically, in nutshell, I would like to say that I have really sincerely, very earnestly done the whole this thing, Ashtanga Kriya, and I think it's a very powerful Kriya. Last week when I had a session with Atul ji, then I told him कि मुझे बहुत दर्दें हो रही हैं. शुरू में तो ये हुआ that first the first 4-5 weeks I didn't feel much pain, but after that when the pitta came, then the hat vinyasa of pitta and kapha, that created a lot of pain in my body. So which I'm taking in my stride, thinking that I'm improving. That is why it is pain. And I must share, which is something very, very unique to me. I don't know. I might have told the class that I had an accident about 13 years back, car accident. I had 26 stitches here. I had my whole body affected, the muscular and all, whatever. There has been twitching here. And what happened last 4 weeks after, especially after kapha started, this where my head was hit.
Okay.
That portion became totally red and itchy, and then the skin came off, and now you can see it is totally fine. This is the stitches, and this is what, and then the path of the twitching. See, this also was very red, and now it is, then my throat, if you, some people can see, and so it is going down till the feet, the toe where my problem had been, and I feel that it is happening. My body is opening up, and the girl who would do some massages sometimes, she told me that whatever you are doing is doing good to your body. I do feel that my body is opening up, and yes, I have been going through a lot of pain, which is part of life, and lot of cough has come out. I did fasting also for a full day once, and then a lot of the steam and the gargles and all, and it helped. Lot of cough came out, and I do think it is helping me in a very good way, and I sincerely would like to continue with it. I do feel when I do. Sorry.
Thank you so much. It's your excellent effort. Ultimately, देखिए सब कुछ आपके ऊपर है. अगर आप effort डालते हो तो आपको result मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. There is no second thought about it. And you're saying you have improved in your twitching also, which is, I mean, amazing. I feel कि वो nerves का issues होता है twitching, right?
हाँ है, उसमें काफी दर्द तो है, बहुत ज्यादा दर्द है, पर और जब ये फ्लेकी हुआ, रेड हुआ, इट वाज वेरी, अभी भी शायद किसी को ये दिख जाए, देखिए यहाँ क्या क्या है ये सब.
हाँ, it stitches जैसे.
No, so the people, the girl who was massaging, she said, I can't believe कि after 13 years ऐसा कुछ हो रहा और आपके शरीर में ये बाहर आ रहा है, even below my knee, जहाँ जहाँ मुझे hit हुआ था बहुत, वहाँ भी ऐसे जख्म निकल आए, ऊपर आ गए जैसे कि अभी कल चोट लगी है. So that means the body keeps it inside, doesn't go away.
Yes.
Injuries, they stay within your body, and if you neglect them or you don't heal them, don't treat them, they stay.
They stay. Excellent. And it's so important that please understand Usha ma'am has actually related to it. ये बात सबसे बड़ी है कि आप जो कर रहे हो, you're not doing it for the sake of doing it. You're doing it for your body and you're relating it to your body. आपका जो शरीर है, आप उससे जब रिलेट करने लगते हो, उससे बातें करते हो, तो वो चीजें जो चेंज होती है वो आपको समझ में आती है. I think that Usha ma'am is doing. She's understanding the body thoda thoda karke, right Usha ma'am?
Yeah, I am.
Yes. So that is, I don't think many people do this. वो करते हैं क्योंकि हम बोल रहे हैं और उनको लगता है. They don't actually relate to what they are doing. इसलिए उनको थोड़ा सा
लगता है जैसे आप स्पेशली कुंभक करते हैं, इवन अंगन्यासा में मैंने देखा है कि every day you feel there is a little difference.
Yes. And I remember the day you joined, you had a lot of doubts whether this will work. I remember talking to you.
No, I didn't have the doubts, but I just wanted to know, as I said, I wanted to convince myself. I wanted to know scientifically, because I am a science student. So I wanted to know scientifically that what it is. you know,
Okay.
and how
Okay.
does it work?
Okay.
Yeah.
So good, you can give us a written testimony maybe, so that other people also understand कि कैसे आपको बॉडी से रिलेट करना है, ताकि आप आगे जाके ये पावरफुल टेक्निक्स अपने लाइफ में अपनाओ. Okay, so that will be great for the motivating the rest of the people.
Actually, Shira, I'm sorry, I have a little strange request. I have just arrived in Delhi. So I have locked myself in my host's house. I've just arrived. I didn't even have a glass of water. I said it's a very important class for me and I must attend. So please tell me when is the question answer, so that at least I can say hello to my host, and then I can, when Swamiji joins, I can ask the question.
So Swamiji's session will be on every 15th. तो 15 तारीख को होगा वो सेशन. तो on 15th we will let you know and you all can join in.
आज तो आज और कुछ नहीं होगा जो आपने
नहीं,
मुझे
आज कस्टमाइज जो आपका कुंभक है वो सब के बारे में हम लोग बताएंगे. But Swamiji is not joining in today. He will be joining only on 15th.
And now that customization is for individual, individual का होगा ना, जो मुझे आपने भेजा देवदत्त कुंभक, वो सब और होगा.
वो सब हम लोग अभी डिस्कस करेंगे और सबका एक एक स्वामी जी का ही किया हुआ वीडियो हम लोग बताएंगे आपको. और जब प्रैक्टिस सेशन है वो हम लोग 1-on-1 लेंगे सबका.
नहीं तो ये देवदत्त कुंभक के बारे में आप कब बताएंगी, so that I come back?
जस्ट अभी बताएंगे.
आप औरों के एक्सपीरियंस लेंगी ना पहले तो?
नहीं. I will play the video and you will see how Swamiji is doing the Devdutt Kumbhak, and accordingly you have to do it, and then we take a practice session on this, ताकि सबको समझ में आया है कि नहीं उसके हिसाब से.
All right.
Okay, thank you so much, Usha.